Here, take this. Is this a lemon? Okay. Oh my god.
Where'd you get that?
Get what?
The lemon.
I got it from Life grocery store. It followed me from the grocery store, like that one commercial.
Like the chicken soup commercial?
Like the chicken soup commercial. Exactly that.
Likely story. What do you plan on doing with it then?
Well, you know what they say, when life lifting gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
I haven't heard of that saying before.
Yeah, recently people started saying
Man, trying to keep up with all the new lingo these days, it's like a task in itself.
I know, right? Like, what is a 6'7"? No.
6'7", what is that? My kids keep saying.
Well, it's actually a no. What the shit?
Here, take this.
So let me get this straight. You murdered somebody in my house, and all I get is some lukewarm lemonade.
Yup.
Damn, okay. But are you at least gonna help with the body, and you're gone?
Who's that pretty girl?